Hi, my name is Matt with Quick Response Fire Supply. Today, I want to talk about drywall access panels, also known as access doors. Access panels eliminate the need to cut through walls, ceilings, and floors when interacting with concealed objects. These panels make it easier to inspect, maintain, and repair critical parts of a building. Instead of slicing through drywall or tile, they facilitate access to plumbing, fire protection piping, electrical components, and other objects in concealed spaces. These products install to walls or ceilings and conceal pipe or other components in a fire sprinkler standpipe, plumbing, or other systems. This hinged 18-gauge galvanized steel door has a white powder coating and is screwdriver operated. Each panel requires a 1/4 inch larger cutout on all sides in the wall or ceiling to be installed correctly. At QRFS, these access doors are currently available in 4 different sizes: 12 by 17 inches with 1 latch, 14 by 14 inches with 1 latch, 14 by 24 inches with 3 latches, and 14 by 30 inches with 3 latches. Each panel has a depth of 1 and 8 out of 25 inches regardless of size. To view our selection, visit qrfs.com/accesspanels.